welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a quick review on the hairbrush from Revlon, the hair dryer hairbrush that they have. I recently got this and I used it a couple of times. Now I always try to find the easiest way to style my hair, and I think that I just found my favorite tool. It makes it so easy to style my hair. I have curly hair, which you guys will see in a second how curly it is, and I think that it's so easy for me to style it and leave it curly, but when it comes to doing different looks and getting it straight, I struggle just because I have to wait for my hair to dry. And when you have curly hair or a lot of hair, you'll notice that it takes forever to air dry it. And sometimes when I blow dry it with the regular blow dryer and a brush, I get super tired to do it like that because I have a lot of hair and it takes so much time. And then after that, I have to still straighten it. So I always give up because it's just like a 2-hour process to have my hair straight if I want like slick, perfect hair. So when this came out, I was really hesitant to try it just because I thought it would give me a lot of volume, and my hair's already puffy, but I think it gives me the right amount of volume, the right amount that I like. It makes my hair super soft. It makes it straight. It gives my hair, I don't know, like I love the way it looks. I love the results. It lets me style it however I want. So if you're interested in seeing how I got my hair to look like this, like I just got out of the hair salon, like a little blowout, keep on watching this video. We're gonna use this tool. I love it. It does not pull your hair. Before we jump into the video, I love that it does not pull your hair. It has a small grip here to make everything easier. And it has 3 different settings as well, which is nice. I think the tool is not too big or too small. It's like the perfect size to get the perfect amount of hair and help you do this very fast. I styled my hair literally in 15 minutes, and for me it's a big deal because it takes me, I'm not even kidding, 45 minutes to an hour to straighten my hair. And yes, I love straight slick hair, but I think that this looks super effortless and it's easier and it looks good. I don't know, I think I really like how it looks. So now let's jump into the video. So let's jump into styling my hair. Before I jump into the hair products that I use before doing it, I just want to mention that I do have curly hair and I have very frizzy hair. So for me, I always look for hair tools that are gonna help me with my frizz. Now, keep in mind that the tool is a volumizing hairbrush, so it's gonna give volume. To be honest, I tried this once already, but we're gonna do a review on curling my hair and see how it comes out. My curls are not that tight as well. I just cut my hair, so my hair's a little short, but my curls are not that tight. My hair's still wet. And these are not tight curls. It gets a little curlier than this if I style it correctly, but I do have a lot of volume. Like if you guys can see, my curls are not that tight, right? So what I like to do is add some heat protectant. I like this one from Garnier Fructis. So I'm just gonna add it because you always want to protect your hair. And then I like to add anything that helps to detangle the hair. So this is a leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna add it in the bottom. I find that if I put anything that's like leave-in conditioner, leave-in treatment, it helps me a lot with frizz. So I like that as well. And then I recently just purchased this, which is the Eva NYC. I use a hair mask from this brand, and I bought this one. It's a 10-in-1 primer. I'm gonna add a little bit on the end of my hair. I'm just gonna add this on the tips of the hair. It smells super good. It has argan oil. Okay. And we're gonna start. And this is the tool. I got the tool for $40 at Target. I've already used it, but this time I want to curl my hair. I used it just once prior to this, and I just did like a regular blowout, and then I used a strainer, and I liked it. But I want to go ahead and show you guys how we can go ahead and curl our hair with this one as well. So it only gives you 3 different settings. It gives you the cool setting, the low, and the high. So this is the cool setting. that's the low. And that's the high. So I'm gonna do it on low. It has a regular brush vibe. The little pink things, if you guys are able to see that. And then right inside, it's like a regular brush. The size is not too big, not too small. So let's go ahead and try to curl our hair. I might speed this through just because it makes a lot of noise. So we'll talk about it after. So I'm gonna put it on low. Okay, so I'm trying to curl my hair, but I just cut my hair, and since the tool itself is pretty thick, it's not allowing me to curl my hair like that. Like, it's not giving me a curl, it's giving me more of a wider curl, which makes sense just because my hair is not that long. But so far, I mean, it's gonna style it. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a blowout, so you guys could still see how well it works. And I don't mind, I just wanted to curl it, but I think it's too short for the curl. I'm doing it like this, outward. Right, so it's going to give me a little curl going out. You can go ahead and curl it inward, or you can do one in and then one out, so you could leave the hair straight. It leaves it super soft. So far, I like the result. I like to do it just outward because I do have a few layers, so I want to style it like a blowout. But it's all up to you. But if you guys can see, it dries your hair immediately, and also it gives it that little blowout look, you know, because it lets you curl it as you're drying it, which is nice. This does not pull your hair also, so it's perfect. And I just put it here, and by itself I'm able to go ahead and roll the tool, which I really like because it does not pull my hair, it does not tangle anything. Let me go ahead and finish the rest. I'll go ahead and show you guys how I do the top to style it and give it more of a finished look on top once everything is styled. I do like to add oil too while I'm styling my hair, just because again it's frizzy and this gives it a little finished look. So I always add it to my hand and then just a little bit of oil. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. I'll speed this up just because this makes a lot of noise and it's gonna be really fast. So far I already did most of my hair. I just need this part, but this is the part I wanted to show you guys. My hair feels super soft. This literally has taken me 10 minutes, just this. Obviously when you record, I feel like it goes takes a little bit longer, so I probably would have finished everything in 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys how I style this part, but so far I really like it. It feels soft, it feels so effortless, it looks so effortless, and it really was just easy to do. So let's go ahead and get this done. Okay. So I want to show you guys how I style the front part of my hair. I have like long curtain bangs here. Okay, so definitely gives you a lot of volume, and it's the way I was doing it if I was rolling it from here, but I'm still gonna fix it. So one thing it definitely does is give you volume. I don't mind it. I like it as long as it doesn't look super puffy. So let me just work on the bangs. I roll them to the back like this, to the back. I'm going to show you guys because I want them to fall down like curtains, right? So, I mean, I have a lot of little flyaways, which we could go ahead and fix. But let me go ahead and do the bangs a little bit more. So look how good this looks. So you could go ahead and throw your bangs however you want. This literally took, it's been 25 minutes since I started doing my hair. I have little flyaways that I can work on, but now it's just, I could throw my hair in the middle, to the side. I don't know, this looks like $1 million haircut. Like, it feels super soft, like I said. It was so easy to use as well, and it gives you that volume. Like, however you style this, it just gives you volume, which I really like. And it looks so good. Who am I? I hope you guys like this. I really like it. I would definitely recommend this tool, especially if you're always on the go, if you have kids, if you always like to, you know, have your hair done and you have zero time. I know that it could take a long time to style your hair. It's usually very time consuming. So if you're definitely looking for a tool to make that easier for you, this is it. This Revlon hairbrush is super good. It does not pull your hair. I like that it has like the grip right here, if you guys can see that. So when you're styling your hair, you can hold on to something and not get burned. I love the color. It comes in black and pink and green, I believe, or like a teal color. But I absolutely love how my hair turned out. Definitely check it out. It's a 10 out of 10. I think that using it more and more, it gives you like, I think the more I use it, the more I love it. So I would recommend. I added a little bit of oil, and this is so pretty. I really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a small, fast review. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.